Masana Wilderness Campground. We had a blast here at the rally. It was really jam-packed with stuff to do. It was fantastic. Kim and Daryl went to dump, and this is the advantages of having a composting toilet. You don't have to sit in that line. Being by the creek was absolutely amazing. Every campsite in here is by, well, they call this a river. It was wonderful. I love the sound of it. Fantastic. The mosquitoes here are bad, but they just got over a flood about a month ago, so they bounced back really quickly. Looks like we're gonna have a gorgeous day of travel. I'm ready to go to Valdez, Alaska. Pass, and can you see?
2,678 feet, and we drop off, man.
Down to the ocean.
Down to Valdez.
Yeah, well, it's on the water, y'all. But look, you can't. Well, it is starting to clear up some.
You think so?
Yeah, it's gonna. We can see more now than we did a while ago.
So.
So green. Oh yeah, nice. Nice descent. That's what we're doing. Going down the mountain. And that. No, I don't think that's a glacier right there. That is a river.
Glaciers are on these mountains around us that we can't see.
Mm-hmm. And I do believe that is a waterfall coming down over there onto the lake.
River, waterfall, combo.
Yeah, probably a combo.
Yeah, because if you look there, you can see the top of the mountains up there.
How cool is that? I love the yellow flowers. Wow, how pretty.
Valdez. Valdez.
Valdez.
Yeah, Valdez.
Yep. Woo, we made it. We made it. That's a beautiful, beautiful shot right there, y'all.
I don't know what you call that, where the snow is still there in the middle of summer.
Yeah.
Like a glacier, waterfall, or
I don't know.
I don't know what you call it.
But see the low clouds over the mountain? Yeah, that's a big mountain in front of us. But you can't see the top of it. That happens around here a lot. Look how green it is. I just love it.
Beautiful. There's a parking area there. There's some cabins.
Wow, that is awesome. This is called Keystone Canyon. On the way to Valdez. Sorry about that bug splatter in the middle of the screen. Sorry, can't help it. It is a mosquito. there.
Didn't know it was there. Wow, big waterfall there too.
I seen that. Oh, hit a bump. What a beautiful canyon.
Big waterfall back there and all.
I've never been through a canyon where everything was covered in green. Most of the canyons we go through are just rock.
Walney has the one.
Yeah.
It was pretty green.
Lush.
Wind.
Yeah.
River.
Wind River, yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Well, down here, this should be the river we're camping on. Where it goes into the ocean out here. There's a waterfall off to your left.
Yeah. There's a waterfall, y'all.
Couple of them.
Oh, wow.
This is
Pretty sweet.
Bridal Veil Falls.
Nice. Nice, nice. We're in Valdez, Alaska, and you can't even see the mountains there. You can see some mountains to the left there. We're in a gravel parking area. Well, it's a boondocking spot. It's free, and it's only like, what, a mile from town? We can walk down there. So this is pretty sweet. Of course, you can hear the traffic noise because it's just right off the road. Couple people parked in here. Oh my Lord, look at that. I think it keeps moving. Where did it go?
Standing by.
Standing by. So we're gonna go check things out and see what's what. Prince William Sound. I bet this is a pretty area when the sun is out.
So many beautiful areas up here.
Well, it kind of looks like the sun may be coming through. I can see blue sky up there. Boy, the clouds really hang low here. Welcome to Valdez, Alaska. we decided to go ahead and do our laundry at the Harbor Laundromat in town.
Depends on what you want to do. I mean, I can't complain. I've had a pretty successful life. We work with what we got. Oh yeah, I mean, but nobody telling us they save a certain percent of money, investments, real estate, work hard.
Hey, this is the laundromat we came to, and it's not bad. I mean, we heard bad reviews about all these laundromats, but I mean, it's not the Taj Mahal, but it's a laundromat. The parking is around the corner there. That's the harbor out there. It's on Wrangell Avenue. Go straight across the main road here. One of the main roads. Right there. And guess what? The Bear Paw RV Park is right here on the corner. It's easy to find. And you've got little businesses right there. Very nice. Very clean little town. The fishermen are waiting for the salmon run to start, and so are we. We met some new friends from the rally at the food truck area in Valdez. We had a fabulous meal together. It was great seeing them again.